Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Quiz Info. Today we have 30 ultimate quizzes for you. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel Quiz Info and press the bell button for new videos notifications. Without any further delay, let's start. Let's spin again. Let's go for choose one door quiz. Which door will you pick for your boat? Green, lava or neon? Choose carefully. Which gift did you get? Comment below. Now choose your bicycle. Which door will you open for your bicycle? If you are satisfied with your bicycle, comment yes. Which door will you open for your house? Green, lava or neon? Sadness for lava friends. Choose a door for your sandwich. Which door will you choose for your sandwich? Burnt sandwich? No way! Let's go for choose your hamburger. Which door will you open for your hamburger? Fungus on green burger? No way! Let's spin the wheel. Get ready for choose your gift quizzes. Which gift box will you choose for your ice cream? Green, lava or neon? Choose carefully. Sadness for green friends. Which gift box will you choose for your backpack? Green, lava or neon? Ruined backpack on neon? No thanks. Which gift box will you choose for your pancake? Green, lava or neon? If you are satisfied with your gift, comment yes. Let's go for choose your dragon. Which gift box will you choose for your dragon? If you are satisfied with your gift, comment yes. Which gift box will you open for your train? Green, lava or neon? If you are satisfied with your gift, comment yes. Would you rather like this video or get snack bite? I hope nobody wants to get snack bite. So please like this video. Let's spin again. Get ready for guess the emoji quizzes. Can you guess the word by these emojis? Football World Cup is correct answer. Which word do you recognize after watching these emojis? Correct answer is banana milkshake. Can you guess the word by these emojis? Onion ring is correct answer. Can you name the word after watching these emojis? Correct Correct answer is raincoat. Can you guess the word after watching these emojis? Brain games is correct answer. Let's spin again. Let's go for choose one door quiz. Which door will you choose for your pet wolf? Blue, fire or gold? If you are satisfied with your pet, comment yes. Now choose your pizza. Which door will you open for your pizza? Blue, fire or gold? I don't like blue pizza. Which door will you choose for your ice cream? Blue, fire or gold? Melted ice cream on fire? No thanks. Which door will you open for your airplane? Comment if you are satisfied with your airplane. Which door will you open for your donut? Blue, fire or gold? Comment if you are satisfied with your gift. Let's spin again. Let's go for audio music quizzes. Can you find the audio music out? This emoji is odd. Which emoji is not like others? This emoji is not like others. Which pop emoji is similar to the circle? This pop emoji is similar to the circle. Can you find the odd emoji out? This table clock emoji is odd. Can you identify the odd emoji? There it is. Would you rather like this video or marry her? Comment about your choice. Let's spin again. Get ready for scrambled letters quizzes. Can you guess the animal by these scrambled letters? Duck is correct answer. Which animal do you recognize after watching these letters? Correct answer is otter. Can you name the animal after watching these scrambled letters? Camel is correct answer. Which animal do you recognize after watching these scrambled letters? Correct answer is sloth. Can you name the animal after watching these scrambled letters? Lion is correct answer. Leave your answer in the comments and let us know. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Quiz Info and press the bell button for new videos notifications. See you in the next video. Bye bye.